Spotless iPhone 13 leaked. A new year means a new iPhone from Apple. The most recent version, the iPhone 12, brought a restored design with squared-off edges when it was launched towards the end of 2020. Just like the iPhone 12, the iPhone 13 can be expected to come in four models: the iPhone mini, iPhone, iPhone Pro, and iPhone Pro Max. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to be the first to get a notification on our next video. A new iPhone, probably the iPhone 13, is coming in 2021. And, even if you're only just wrapping your head around the iPhone 12 family, we've already seen a variety of juicy leaks and rumors. We've heard from all different types of sources not to expect any humongous upgrades, as rumors point to the company focusing on refining the design, improving the internals, and perhaps even bringing in far more powerful cameras. Many people also predict that it will have a smaller notch and adopt a 120Hz display refresh rate for the Pro models, although those rumors have circulated for the past couple of generations. The question is, when can we expect to see it? We're expecting similar designs to the iPhone 12 family, and the screen technology is likely to be similar as well because the company made big upgrades to that element of the iPhone 12. One thing rumored for the iPhone 12 that wasn't implemented was the addition of a high refresh rate display. Rumors suggest that they may be introduced on the iPhone 13, and that'll make the display look smoother when playing games or scrolling through your social media feed. Another rumor backed up 120Hz refresh rate rumors, but suggested such a display might only be on two of the four anticipated iPhone 13 models. Maybe this means the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max will have 120Hz screens while the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini, or whatever they end up getting called, won't. Another leak has also suggested the company may finally be ready to introduce an under-display fingerprint scanner at the bottom of the screen. A lot of Android manufacturers include this technology on flagship phones, and this leak suggests Apple is ready to follow suit. One source has also suggested that 2021 may probably be the year we see the introduction of 1TB iPhones. That's a storage size the company hasn't experimented with yet, at least for its smartphones, and we'd expect it to be an option on the phone's most expensive Pro handsets. As for the camera, industry analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who is often right about Apple information, has suggested the iPhone 13 camera may be bumped to an f/1.8 6p 6-element lens from the current f/2.4 5p 5-element lens on the Pro. There are also reports that Apple is considering adding a periscope camera to a future iPhone. This would allow for a greater zoom range than current models, maybe up to 10x optical zoom, possibly without making the camera components any thicker. A report has also suggested that all four iPhone 13 models might get a LiDAR scanner, rather than just the Pro models having it as on the iPhone 12 range. Not much else has been speculated particularly around the camera, but we'd expect Apple to focus on this as a key area to differentiate the handsets from the iPhone 12 family. Now, to address the elephant in the room. The rumors of a portless iPhone debuting in 2021. It would mean the phone will only use wireless charging and possibly Apple AirPods. It's a claim that we've heard from several sources, but most suggest that only one model, most likely the iPhone 13 Pro Max, will go portless. For the batteries, we've heard from analyst Ming-Chi Kuo that the iPhone 13 might switch to soft board technology, which could allow for physically smaller batteries without compromising the capacity. There's also an Apple patent that talks about a protective charging mode. This should stop you from overcharging the phone even if you leave it plugged in for long periods, possibly overnight. However, patents don't always get used, so don't hold your breath. Performance should be enhanced as it normally is every year, but we've heard talk that advanced vapor chamber cooling is going to be deployed in the iPhone 13. Though if it's not implemented this year, we might have to wait until the iPhone 14 to see it. Expect 5G support to continue in 2021 iPhones of course, but it's expected the company will be switching to either mmWave or sub-6 devices, allowing it to save money. That means that if mmWave technology isn't available in your country, you'll only be able to buy the sub-6 version. Apple included both versions of the 5G technology on the iPhone 12, and that saw the price of the handset rise significantly, especially in the US. Staying with wireless technologies, we've also been led to understand that the iPhone 13 is going to come packing some Wi-Fi 6E connectivity for an even faster link to the web and the cloud. With all of these amazing features, there has been no word about the prices of any of the models. However, we hope that with the rumors suggesting the company will only be using 5G technology relevant to whatever region you live in, Apple may drop the price lower than it had done before. What do you think of this yet-to-be released spotless iPhone 13? What other speculations have you heard? Please share your opinions in the comments section below. And remember to click the subscribe button below to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.